What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Mewtwo from Pokemon. Let's get started in the center of our page with the lower edge of the brow. We're going to leave a gap in the center, go over towards the left side, curve the brow going up, and then bend that out towards the left. Line this up on the right, going up and out. Let's move back to the inside and curl up the brow. On the left side I'm going to come in and just bend that up. And then we'll tuck the eyes in underneath the brow. On the left side, we're going to step in, draw a half circle. Come all the way around towards the bottom of the eye, and then pull that in on the inside. Let's add a highlight on the left side of each eye. So up against the edge of the eye, I'm just going to draw a circle. Coming around, and then back out. Line this up on the right. We're just going to tuck this up underneath the eyelid. And we'll fill the eyes in black. Now we're going to move out and draw the side of the head. We're going to line up at the top of the brow, step out, draw an angled line. Coming down, and then in towards the jaw. Line this up on the right. Come down towards the same height. And then from the bottom, we're going to curve the head coming down and in towards the center. Just going to round this out, come down, and just bend that in, and go out and up on the right side. Now we're going to add the nostrils along the bottom, leaving a gap in the center, go to the left side, draw a short angled line going up and out, line this up on the right, and do the same thing. Let's move back up and round out the side of the head. On the left, just going to round this out, and just pull that in, and do the same thing on the right. And now we're going to add in the ears, starting on the left, curve up, and bend that out. And we'll pull the ears back in towards the inside. Starting on the left, just going to bend this up and then down. Let's pull the ears back towards the top of the head. On the left, curve in and then down. And we'll close off the top of the head. On the left, step up, curve up in the middle, and then bend that back down. Let's enhance the top of the brow. On the left side, we're going to step up, curve up, and then out. Line this up on the right. And now we're going to move down and draw on the side of the body. We start over on the left side, underneath the head, curve the body going out, and then down towards the hip. Line this up on the right, go out, and then down towards the same height. Let's move up and draw the edge of the chest. On the left, curve up, and then down. Let's pull the hips coming down towards the bottom of the body. Starting on the left, come in, and then bend that down. And we'll connect the bottom with a curve. Coming down the middle, and then back up. Let's go back up underneath the chin, draw a short line coming down to separate the chest. We're also going to add a half oval in the center of the body. Starting back on the left, go up towards the chest, and then bend that back down on the right. Let's continue working down towards the bottom of the feet. And leave a gap in the center, go to the left side, draw a straight angled line coming down and out. And then at the bottom, we're going to add a small oval. Let's go to the inside of the oval, curve the leg coming out, and then down towards the bottom of the foot. And then we'll round out the bottom of the feet. Starting on the left side, curve the foot coming down and up towards the first toe. And then we'll round out the top of the toe. Starting on the left, go around and just bend that down. Let's add a second toe on the outside. Starting from the bottom corner, curve down and up with a short line. Round out the toe and then tuck that in behind. Let's go back up to the hips and round out the thigh. Starting on the left, curve out, come down, and then just bend that in. And it'll move in between the toes, curve the leg coming in and up underneath the thigh. Now we're going to move back up and draw on the arms. Let's start on the left side of the head, curve the arm coming down, and then out towards the wrist. And then we'll go back to the left side and draw on the first finger. Starting from the wrist, we're going to draw a circle, going all the way around. Just going to leave a gap along the inside. And we'll stack 2 more circles underneath. We're going to start on the side, curve around, and just tuck that up underneath. Let's add 1 more. Starting from the bottom, come down, around, and then back out. And then from the inside of the bottom finger, curve the palm coming in and then up. Step down, curve the arm coming in and up behind the body. Let's draw the tail coming out on the right side. We line up the bottom of the body, over on the right, curve out, and then up underneath the hand. Just going to line this up, curve up, and then back down. Let's round out the end of the tail. Starting here, it's going to curve in and then down in behind the hand, go to the outside, come around, and then back up towards the top. I'm just going to pull the tail back in behind the arm, coming in and then down. Let's line up the inside of the tail underneath the arm. Just going to pull this down and in towards the right hip. And that's pretty much it. There's Mewtwo from Pokemon. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.